सही है।
और वो कुछ WhatsApp से
ठीक है,
आपको
cool। कितने का ये वाला करेंगे?
2000 कर देंगे।
2000 ठीक है,
सैट्स में
बिटकॉइन दे देंगे आपको। लवली मैन, दिस इज सो क्रूज। एक क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डू आप बिटकॉइन क्यों है आपके पास?
बिटकॉइन है इसलिए वैल्यू बढ़ रही है। वैल्यू बढ़ रही है उसकी। और
कब से है आपके पास?
मेरे पास 1 साल से।
1 साल से। बस वैल्यू के लिए ही है और कुछ नहीं?
वैल्यू है, डिसेंट्रलाइज मनी है। और
पर अभी आपका मनी तो एक्सचेंज पे है।
एक्सचेंज पे है। अब मनी बैठे बैठे बढ़ रहा है, बैंक में रखने से अच्छा बिटकॉइन में लगा दो ना।
वेलकम कोलकाता।
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. I've traveled to 232 cities in 23 countries. And now you can join me on my journey and travel with me.
Yeah, what's up? I am in Kolkata. Now we're gonna meet this guy who has been really helpful and really supportive. Without his support, this journey wasn't possible, and it gives me immense joy to just see this guy. He's so cool. Rajshri, finally. And do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, so my name is Rajarshi Mitra and I like do shit posting in Twitter. That's it. And yeah, sometimes I try to write code and sometimes I try to meet like crazy people like this guy and have some Bitcoin chats and fun. So that's what I'm doing here.
ठीक है, सही है. It's so true. He's an angel, and because of this angel, now I have food in my stomach. And he's really kind. He's been really helpful throughout the start from the journey, even from the time he came to know that this is happening. That's way back in September. So it's an honor to meet him, and after meeting him on the day number 62 is just like day number 21 because there are 21 million bitcoins.
Nice one.
So cheers, bro. Thank you, man. This is it. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, all right. This is my hotel. Let's go. Oi, this is my room. Cheers, come on, we all are Satoshis here. We all are Satoshi. Let's blow the candle, everyone together. Sab log. 3, 2, 1. This is Bitcoin meetup. Do you have Bitcoin?
I try to.
Yes. Do you have Bitcoin?
I have always.
Yes. Do you have Bitcoin?
Yes, I am.
Yay. Do you have Bitcoin?
Sure, why not? Obviously.
Yes, man.
A lot.
Alright, so everybody say Satoshi.
Satoshi.
3.
The name of Satoshi.
Satoshi, lovely man. This is it, Kolkata. And this was amazing. Thank you so much. Like, lot of great. Bye. Hey. See you, bro.
See you.
iPhone 13, Dika. He's got iPhone 13 and I love
All
him.
because of Bitcoin.
Yes! He's coming with me to walk. Bada, laundry?
Yeah. कल मैं सुबह आपका फोन करता हूँ.
Early morning. Oh, he's a warrior, man. Man, people have stories and he has one story. And this is all about holding and believing. Have faith in faith and never give up. Yeah? Love you, brother. Ciao, bye guys. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Good morning. This is day 63. This is Run with Bitcoin. What's up, bhai? Good morning. You ready for a run? You'll run with your bag?
Sure. Yeah.
You'll run with your bag?
Yeah.
Hey, this guy is running. Yeah. We're gonna go inside the Victoria Memorial.
No ticket.
200. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, sir. ये जो बिटकॉइन है ना सर, ये इंटरनेट का पैसा है. जैसे सोना होता है ना,
हाँ फॉलो न्यूज़ में दिखा रहा था.
बिटकॉइन संभाल के रखने का
संभाल के रखने का
है आपके पास. लेगा आप.
जानता हूँ मैं, सुना हूँ. कल में बीट करूँ, वीडियो मत करो.
नहीं. ओके बाय. वी कांट डू द बैग लेके पहली बार कोई बंदा भाग रहा है. दैट्स गुड. ही इज लाइक कूल. Yo, awesome. So we are on the streets after the run. And what are we going to eat, bhai?
और I suited kachori.
Kachori and what's the other thing you were saying?
Kadani paratha.
Paidani paratha. And we do not know, he also doesn't know any specific place, so we'll be just exploring any of the streets, like shops that come on the way. And we'll stop there and have, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, this is kachori. Puri is called kachori.
नहीं पूरी नॉर्मल होता है, इसके अंदर स्टफिंग होता है.
इसके stuffing है?
मतलब
Yeah, what's up? Well, after the run, now I'm heading over to meet a friend called Soham. We met each other in Bangalore and he's also into the crypto space doing something which I'm still to know more about. And he's from Kolkata. And yeah, let's just go. Let's see how this one goes. It's crazy. Yeah, my man. Hey. From Bangalore to Kolkata. How are you, bro?
Long time.
Lovely, man.
What's up, guys?
Good to see you. This is Soham.
Hey.
And it's an honor to meet you, brother.
Come, let's eat some lovely banned dishes.
Which one do you want? Whatever.
ये वाला क्या है? हाँ
ये आपका एक पीस रहेगा
हाँ
रोस्टेड चिकन.
नहीं ये एक दो और बाकी बोल रहे हैं और एक हम लोग बटर रोस्ट ले सकते हैं. ये दो.
I really like this, bro.
ये एक है.
अभी एक दो फिलहाल.
Wow, what's this, bro?
It's basically fish fry. It's a fish called bhetki.
Okay.
And our man spends really good.
Lovely.
Come, let's have it.
Man, this is his mom is sent it, so really thank you to Mama. And yeah, this is our fish, bro. Wow, this should be more than enough, bro. Now, though.
Metro. Kato kache. Chalo. Come on.
What's wrong with you, bro? 300 rupees we would have reached. This is crazy. He doesn't understand. He's just on an exploration mode. Alright, so anyways, to update you, we are going to a shop that we heard accepts Bitcoin. And we have just crossed to the other city, almost 15 kilometers. Thanks, Soham. He really got me the card, taking care of the FIAT. I'm just gonna get him some gift, bro. Oh, yes, they showed me this. Yeah, this is the one. My God. You know who this guy is? Hey, he's wearing that with Bitcoin. He's just wearing this. What is that? This guy, what up, bro? How are you?
good.
He's a fellow YouTuber too. He's called Harshit Creators. And he loves Bitcoin.
Yeah.
He holds Bitcoin. And wait, this is my friend. Hey.
Hi, Soham.
Soham,
Hi,
he's my friend. And which is this fellow? This fellow is?
Yeah.
We'll buy something here on Bitcoin.
Yeah, you can see over there.
No. This is legendary shit. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम युवराज है.
तो क्या बिटकॉइन है?
हाँ, यस.
यस, अच्छा है. करेंगे कुछ शॉपिंग, फ्री हो जाओ. ठीक है.
हेलो.
Oh yes, Apple also. iPhone 12. 11. iPhone
13.
Hello. Cool that is. अरे this is good. सही है. ठीक है, cool. कितने का ये वाला करेंगे?
2000 कर देंगे.
2000. ठीक है.
Stats में.
बिटकॉइन दे देंगे आपको. लवली मैन. दिस इज सो क्रूज. एक क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डू आप बिटकॉइन क्यों है आपके पास?
बिटकॉइन है इसलिए वैल्यू बढ़ रही है.
हैं?
वैल्यू बढ़ रही है उसकी. और
कब से है आपके पास?
मेरे पास 1 साल.
1 साल से. बस वैल्यू के लिए ही है और कुछ नहीं.
वैल्यू है, डिसेंट्रलाइज मनी है. और
पर अभी आपका मनी तो एक्सचेंज पे है.
एक्सचेंज पे है. अब मनी बैठे बैठे बढ़ रहा है. बैंक में रखने से अच्छा बिटकॉइन में लगा दो ना. गवर्नमेंट ट्रैक नहीं करेगा.
That's one way to look at Bitcoin, and why not? Let's start with that because it is the digital gold. Hey, more than digital gold. So thanks to my brother here. Thank you. And send now. This is so sweet of them. They have this now on their shop. So that is wonderful. Thank you. Bitcoin to the moon. Bye bye. Yo guys, so this is Harshit here. Sorry.
No problem.
And he really got this. So it's his friend. And he told him about crypto, he told him about Bitcoin, and they started accepting it. And something great he's doing in this area is what?
I used to teach about Bitcoin to all the shopkeepers. Like they are also going to accept cryptos and Bitcoin. So within 2-3 weeks, they are gonna start it.
Lovely.
So I'm going to teach them to start and try crypto. Like #try crypto.
Lovely. God bless.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. This is how we have 1 million Satoshis all around the world. So thank you so much, brother. He's on. Thank you. Bye-bye. Once forever. Okay, so I'm off to IIM Calcutta and I'm just gonna have a talk over there about Bitcoin. So I have no idea how it's gonna go, but fingers crossed. अंदर ले लो. रुको इधर रुको. What's up?
Hey, what's up? Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Darshan.
And where are we?
We're at Calcutta, the Fin campus.
Lovely. And do you have any Bitcoin?
As of now, no. Like I'm a little skeptic regarding cryptocurrency, but maybe that'll change today. Let's see.
Lovely, man. That's so nice. This is my brother here. Hey, this is it. So this is me in the IIM Calcutta right now, and this is we have. Hello, everybody. Hello. Woo. Can we get a Bitcoin? Bitcoin. Woo. Namaste, Mohandas ji. कैसे हैं? बस बढ़िया है. खाना खाया आज का? Bitcoin लोगे?
ये
Bitcoin.
जो अभी खरीदेंगे कुछ खाएंगे वगैरह उसका आपको बिटकॉइन पे आपको पता बिटकॉइन क्या होता है? बिटकॉइन ऐसा करेंसी है. तो वो आपको बिटकॉइन पे करेंगे चलेगा आपको?
पर बिटकॉइन क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो? पता है क्या है?
नहीं पता नहीं है ना तभी नहीं.
थोड़ा सा बताएंगे, आप सुनोगे? ठीक है, पकड़ के बस. And these are organizers for this fest here.
I'm your waiter today.
सर बिटकॉइन ले लो. ले लो बिटकॉइन. हाय कैसे हो?
ये पकड़ सकता
हाय. क्या बिटकॉइन?
नहीं पर लेने.
Yes, ले yes. There you go. This is Sam. They are open to it. क्या हाल है? Man, this is Ranjay, and he's got my laundry. Lovely.
Hello.
So this is Two Boys Laundry in Kolkata, and they accept Bitcoin. And send. Done. आपके पास आ जाएगा. आ जाएगा. Yeah.
Yes.
पहला हुआ. क्या करोगे बिटकॉइन के साथ?
सेविंग्स करेंगे रखेंगे.
Okay. Nice bro. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye. That was the most swiftest operation ever. It took me, as soon as I entered, in 3 minutes I was putting my bag in and I'm through. I got my boarding pass and I'm off to Mumbai for a great shoot. Let's see how that one goes.